Hey everyone, and welcome to a Taipan2014 build video. In my first post, I went on about the power supply system here, and now once the power supply system has been installed and tested, time to move on to the main microcontroller. So I'm using a microchip microcontroller here. It's a 40-pin chip. Because this is a prototype board, I obviously have to assemble all the parts, all these small SMD components myself. So that's why I'm taking it slowly, bit by bit, to make sure everything is correct. And soldering one of these chips on is quite a bit of an effort. So the main microcontroller chip has been soldered on, and it is the clock is an external clock. We're using a 16 megahertz crystal here, and the appropriate capacitors either side. Okay, so once you have soldered on your main microcontroller, I guess it's a good idea to check that you have the system working. So I'm just going to apply power. I've told the microcontroller to execute a very simple program to check that it's working and that some of these connections are working. So here we have the headlight, the rear light, and the auxiliary light. And they will just flash to let me know that the microcontroller can be programmed. It's programmed through these 3 pins here. So I connect up to the computer using these 3 pins here. And to make sure everything's correct, programs can be downloaded on here and everything is soldered correctly. Let's see. So we just apply some power. And thankfully, I appear to so far have soldered all the pins correctly. And I'm able to download a program, and the headlight, rear light, and auxiliary lights will be functional. Okay.